For the petition from Nyeri on the instructors to the county vocational training colleges. Mr. Speaker, I think I stand here to confirm that the instructors to vocational training colleges are actually supposed to be employees of county governments, because vocational training colleges, the then village polytechnics, were devolved and are a function of county governments. And Mr. Speaker, I know there was a big issue on the question of staff who are on contract. But since resources follow function, and when you accept a function or accept to run a county government, Mr. Speaker, you must accept the assets and the liabilities of that county to be able to manage. And therefore, I really support the petitioner in that the county government of Nyeri ought to have actually, they should have employed all those instructors in vocational training colleges on permanent and pensionable terms. Mr. Speaker, I am a witness that this is a matter that was agreed between the Council of Governors and the then Transition Authority, and I think that matter was rested. County government of Nyeri should be taken to task as to why those staff have been subjected to discriminative terms in terms of employment. I therefore want to urge my colleague senators to support this petition and make sure that those employees of vocational training colleges get what is rightfully theirs in terms of placement. And Mr. Speaker, it should be noted that if county governments don't staff those vocational training colleges, then counties are at risk of this function being referred back to national government. I know there has been discussions by members of parliament on the role of vocational training colleges. There is need for those vocational training colleges to remain at that devolved level. In fact, the law was very clear that we must have a vocational training college in every ward, despite the constraint of resources available to counties to actualize that. But I think progressively over time, that is where we need to go, and that is why we cannot afford to have instructors who are on contract terms or casual terms, of people who are dissatisfied to perform their duties, to perform that, and we expect our vocational training colleges to come up and to be able to impart the necessary skills to the citizens of our very counties. So, Mr. Speaker, I support that petition, and I think the county government of Nyeri should ensure that those vocational training instructors are actually absorbed. And probably they would be the only ones among us, the counties, who have not absorbed those economic stimulus instructors to our vocational training colleges. Mr. Speaker, I support the petition.
Thank you, Senator Okongo Mugeni.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise, Mr. Speaker, to support the petition by